guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Today we're going to be doing my Mail Haul Monday series where I'll be unboxing PR packages. So excited to share this video with you guys, and I know there's a lot of awesome brands that we will be going through. So really quick before we get started, if you're new, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below. That way you're notified for future videos from me. I do post 3 times a week. So Wednesdays, Fridays, and then mail hauls every single Monday. Also, make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified as soon as the videos go live. But I'm very excited to hop into these, so let's jump in. Okay, so what do we want to start with? So first thing I'm going to start with is actually something that I ordered from Beautylish, and I have my fingers crossed it's the right thing, and I'll tell you guys why in a second. I don't know if you guys have ordered from Beautylish, but their packaging and everything, like just the presentation, it's always very well wrapped. It's just so enjoyable. So here's what it looks like. And I don't know what they sent, but they sent something in like a little bag. Ooh, so I guess they sent over samples. Okay, so let's open this. Thank you, Beautylish. So this is the By Terry Sun Designer palette. And this is the 3rd time I've ordered this palette. So I ordered it first off Nordstrom. Came in, they sent me the wrong one. They sent me the bronze one, even though I ordered the blush one. So I sent it back. No, I didn't. I gifted it to my aunt and then I re-bought it. It came in a second time. Same thing. It was still the wrong palette. So here is what it looks like. I'm not even going to swatch this because I definitely want to take some photos of it. But is this not so gorgeous? So the Sun Designer palettes used to be $80. The old ones still are. But for some reason, this bad boy was only $55. So I love Beautylish. Their customer service is awesome. And I still really wanted this palette, even though I had been through heck and back, ordering it so many times, and like fighting with customer service. Because the crazy thing is, they wouldn't let me just send it back and just like send me a new one. They wanted me to re-buy it and then refund my account for the first one after they got that one in the mail. So it was just a big headache. So I'm glad that I finally got this palette. I cannot wait to use it. Okay, the next package we have came from Urban Decay, and it says, "Trust us, you can rock a purple lip." And they sent over this cute little, it looks like a lipstick vault, and it says, "Lipstick is my vice." And then on the front, it just has Urban Decay Vice on it. Ooh, these are really pretty. So here's all the shades that they sent over. So we have Disturbed, Mosh Pit, Shame, Hex, Vanity Kills, Fandominium, Blackmail, After Dark, Twitch, and Jilted. So I want to open up one of these and see what it looks like. So the first one is called After Dark. That looks really nice and vampy and fall vibes. It looks like the lipstick has sweated a little bit, probably because it was outside. Let's see. The other one that I think I would really like is Disturbed. Ooh, that is dark. I feel like this is a lot darker than like what the packaging is putting off. Like, doesn't it look to you guys like it would be like a light purple? So I'll have to open all these up and see which colors I like best. But thank you so much to Urban Decay for this package. I love the Vice lipsticks. They're super duper comfortable on the lip. Okay, next package. I'm not sure who this is from. So this is from Revlon, and here is what the bag looks like. It says Volume Amazing, and let's see what they sent over. So they sent over 3 different, but the same, I think, mascaras. It says Volume Amazing. It's a volumizing mascara. It says unleash your lash potential with the new Revlon Volumizing mascara. The mascara features an ultra creamy, quick building formula, which is infused with wax and nourishing olive oil to give lashes a rich fanned outlook. So, and they match me today. So we'll save those for a first impression. Thank you so much to Revlon, and I'll put 2 of these aside for you guys since they sent over 3. Okay, next package we have came from LOreal. You guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's a cute little bag. Okay, so let's open it up. Oh my gosh, this must be the full collection. Okay, so I don't know why, but this has like, it looks like it may have busted. So this is a Sunlit Bronzer in Medium Deep. Is this like a liquid bronzer? It says mix in with foundation for a glow. Ooh, it is dark. So here's that. Look how pretty. That is gorgeous. Okay, so that's the first thing. Then we have a Gotta Give Brows. I don't understand what this is. It says outline, fill in, define. Because as small as it looks like it would be like a eyeliner. We have a, why am I having such a hard time figuring out what this is? I think this is a mascara. No, this is a liner, flash liner. We have some eyeshadows, which look gorgeous. Oh my goodness, they really, really look gorgeous. We have a bunch of different shades. Here is the first. The first one's almost like a green looking one. We have this one. And then we have two, which is like a pink. And then the other two are like pink and copper shades. They're kind of hard to see because they have the like, you know, logo design on them. And then we have two more of the brows. We have deep and then medium. We have the light medium bronzer. That's probably gonna be my shade right now. Let's try this one on the skin. These actually look really nice. And this is actually a pretty big bottle. It's 1.35 fluid ounces. Bigger than most foundations anyways. I just grabbed like a teeny tiny bit. Hopefully you guys can see. And then the last thing we have are lip dews. So does it have anything about what these are? No, I'm not sure exactly what lip dews are, but they look like lip glosses. And then here are the different shades. So thank you so much to L'Oreal for that package. I'm definitely going to be using these and trying them out. The packaging is gorgeous. Next package came from the Body Shop, and I've never gotten anything from the Body Shop. Oh, and I've never tried any of their products. So let's see, I'm gonna open it up with you guys. Ooh, let's see what is in here. Oh my gosh, so here's like the bag that it came with. Well, this looks awesome. So it comes with this, so it says the Body Shop, feel good, peace, love, all that. And it has like tissue paper. Oh, it's like a present. Okay, so what do I see first? The first thing they sent over are these popsicle molds. And it says, wow, a tattoo sticker inside and a spare popsicle mold. So yeah, those are really awesome. That's like such a random thing to put in here, but so awesome too. So we have these face mist. Ooh, so this one is Rose Dewy Glow, and then we have a mint mattifying. Then we have a cocoa calming. I wonder if these, it says hydrates, mattifies, makeup friendly. So I wonder if you can put these on like after your makeup. I'll have to look into these. And then we have a smoothing, a strawberry smoothing and a mandarin energizing. Let's do the strawberry smoothing. I love strawberries, or the smell of them. Oh my gosh, it's like I'm eating a strawberry. It smells so good. And then they sent over these things. It says, these are lip juicers. Get fruity with 100%. This stuff smells so good. Ugh. Get 100% vegan moisture boosting balm scented with smoothie inspired combinations. So let's open these. See what they look like. So here's what they look like. I want to like rub them on. They smell really good. They kind of remind me like Jolly Ranchers, but in a lip balm form. So I'll have to keep you guys updated on those. Thank you so much to the Body Shop for that package. I am loving this. I want to spray it on me again. It smells that good. Oh, I mean, it smells real good. Okay, thank y'all so much. Oh, and they also sent over these different recipes for the popsicles. That is really cool. Thank y'all. Okay, next package is a company that reached out to me that sells on Amazon. If I can open this up. Oh, I hope that I didn't just like puncture the item. Okay, I'll leave a link down below for this bag, but this is the Magic to Door bag. I think this is gonna be so good for me and Snow for traveling, because he has this like big bag that we take in our suitcase. And he puts like all of his toiletries and this, that, and the third on it, or in it. And it's actually really heavy. So this is supposed to be a bag that you can travel with. It's supposed to have all kinds of room in it, but it's very lightweight. So as you can see, you have this first open up compartment. You could probably actually stick like Q-tips and stuff in it. I mean, shoot, even if you want to do makeup. Let's see. The Jaclyn Hill palette fits in here. My cell phone. We'll throw some other stuff. Some Bioderma. I mean, all that is fitting just in the front. That's actually quite a bit. And then it just like zips down on the front. And then you also have the stuff on the sides, which you can pack other stuff. Especially what I like about this is it feels like it has that material in it where if something leaks, it wouldn't be a big deal. So I feel like we could probably put like shampoo or something on the sides, or like liquid stuff. But it has so many different compartments. So you have that one that's kind of big on that side, and then you actually have two zips on this side. So the first one has, wow, this actually expands quite a bit. Oh, it even has zippers that make it expand even more. Wow, this is awesome. It's very, very lightweight. So yeah, I'll leave that link down below. It actually is really inexpensive. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but really inexpensive. And it has lots of zippers. It has zipper pockets right here that you can put stuff in. Zippers all in between and everything. So thank y'all so much for that package. And it has the little door hanger too. Okay, next thing we have, I think this actually came from Octoly. Yes, it did. So Octoly in Velvet 59, and this is an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, and it says a Biker Babe. Okay, so here's what it looks like. It says Biker Babe palette. Ooh, this is really pretty. I don't even know how much this retails for, but it is gorgeous. So you have lots of pretty shimmer shades. There is the top row. Wow, these are really pigmented. There are those. And then let's keep swatching the middle row. Again, gorgeous. Ooh, that pretty purple. There are those. Okay, this is the last row. Look at those, you guys. These are really impressive. They're very buttery. They're very buttery, very smooth. I'm excited to play with those on my eyes. I don't even think the camera's picking up like just the overall shine and everything of these. They're gorgeous. So thank you so much, Octoly and Velvet 59 for that package. Okay, next package came from e.l.f. Ooh, this is so cute. So it's like a little holographic box. And it has a little card in the top, and it says, Earth to Beauty Squad. Are you ready for a lift-off to help you shoot to the moon and recharge for the summer sun? We've sent a stellar gift your way. Inside you'll find the Beauty Shield Magnetic Mask that was the winner of the Glam Beauty Awards. I've saw people use this, and it really looks cool. It's like a charcoal mask, and there's this thing that it comes with. And like, instead of peeling it off, you just rub this, like, you put this magnetic thing close to your face, and it like pulls the mask out of your face. So if you guys want to see me demo this first impressions, let me know below. But thank you so much to e.l.f. for that package. Let me make sure all these little fliggly things don't fly out. I don't know what to call them. Thank y'all so much. Next package we have came from ColourPop. Ooh, these are the jelly, I think they're like jelly eyeshadows. It says the newest eyeshadow product at ColourPop. It's a high impact, long lasting, here to stay, and here to slay. It says the cooler version of the Super Shock Shadow. So they're in like little pots. I'm trying to figure out how these work. So they're like in these little pots, look like this. Okay, I don't know how I feel about these because they're like, well, first off, they're very cooling, but it's almost like a cream that you're gonna put on your eyes, but it rubs in very, that would be a crazy looking highlight. We'll have to test these out because I feel like this kind of product's really hard to just swatch and know if you like it. I don't feel like there's many times that I would use some kind of like gel on my eyes. I don't know. We'll have to see, but it comes in, I'm guessing 8 different colors. So let's grab another shade. Okay, here's the teal one. This one I think will let us know what the business is. Okay, so here's, let me get up close. Here's what it looks like, and it comes in a pot like this. And here's what the inside looks like. I don't know how I feel about this. This is a lot of product. Well, you know what? I take that back. It's kind of like the gel paints that Milk Makeup has probably. I think I'm just not used to it being in a pot. But you only need like very, very teeny bit. Oh my gosh, these are crazy. Maybe I kind of want to try one of these on my eyes. If anything, let's say for some reason, like I don't like the texture, how that part looks in my eyes, it's still a really good eyeshadow base to kind of bring like an even bigger pop to the eyeshadow that you're wearing. So we will try it out. Thank you so much again to ColourPop for that package. Okay, last 2 packages. Yep, last 2. Okay, this one came from Mellow Cosmetics, and it looks like they're 2 eyeshadow palettes. Okay, so the first one is called Treasure Chest. Very sparkly moment here. Ooh, and these are kind of like lighter tone shadows right there. Okay. Next one is called, I have no idea how you pronounce that. Here is what it looks like. But this actually is more up my alley. Lots of like rosy tone shades. We have like pop of color. Let's just swatch. Ooh, very nice. Very nice again. Oh, I've run out of fingers. These look really pretty, and I'm like barely touching. Okay, I'm excited about these. Thank you so much to Mellow Cosmetics. I have like a lot of first impressions to film. I'm feeling overwhelmed right now because I'm like, I really want to do this. I want to do that. So, can't wait to try that out. That looked really like me. All right, very last package came from Sky Organics. Okay, perfect. And it is their bubble box. So this is a cruelty-free handmade bath bomb shower bubble cake. So thank y'all so much for that package. You guys, that's going to complete this week's mail haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. As always, give this video a, oh, I missed one package. Okay, just kidding. Okay, sorry, just kidding. This one is the very last package. This came from Kokie. We'll open this real quick. Let's see what they sent over. Ooh, they have false lashes. Okay, and they're sold at Rite Aid. So let's see what these lashes look like. Oh, these actually look really nice. So we have 3 different styles. This one's FL682. We have FL672 and FL645. So now that is the last package. Thank you so much to Kokie. Thank you so much to each and every brand that was kind enough to send me packages. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.